这是的，打不开了，对不起。可以的，这个可以。那先这样吧。要高一点。Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our live broadcast. I'm your host, Sterling. Today, I'm taking you guys to see our brand new product. Okay, welcome to our live broadcast. Hoping that you have a good day. And I wanted to show you the first product is this necklace. You can see this here is the midnight, the light green color, and here is the spiny oyster. And here is the blue turquoise and the green turquoise. This necklace is 16 inches long. If you have any favorite products, please feel free to comment in the live broadcast below. Live streaming is not easy. Welcome new friend to Moonham to give a thumbs up. It looks pretty. And I wear it and I'll show you. Okay. This is the first product. And next, I want to show you this one. Deep blue color, carnite. And with the spiny oyster, it's orange color with light orange color. And here is the rounded amethyst. Purple color amethyst. Welcome to our live broadcast. And if you like our products, please pay attention to us for more information. And here's the kyanite. Base is rounded base. The amethyst is also rounded. It looks so pretty. You can wear it to go to the beach, or you can buy it for gift to your friend, to any woman or man. And our company has its own treasure mine. We specialize in the production of turquoise and other gem fields and silver gem jewelry. It is shining bright. And this amethyst is shining bright. Look, so welcome. And if you like our product, you can pay attention to our Ali show. And the next product I want to show you is this one. The main stone is turquoise, blue turquoise, and free shine gemstone beads. It looks tiny, and here is the bumblebee. London bumblebee with yellow color. It is about 16 inches long, and this bumblebee is about 6 millimeters. And I will show you. And thanks for your coming to our live broadcast. I'm so grateful to have you guys here. And I really am sure. I'm super excited to introduce the product. Blue with yellow color is really suitable. Yeah, our products include turquoise, round stone, silver jewelry, necklace, parsley, pendant, rings, and round wheel, kind chain, and fashion and any other fashion jewelry. And the next product I want to show you is the turquoise necklace. Our products are competitive in price and excellent in quality. We have been working with UBS, DHL, and any other international logistics company to have fast delivery data. This necklace includes spiny oyster. It is orange color, and here is the turquoise tube shine turquoise, about 4 millimeters. And also here is the turquoise here. It is the free shine and chalky turquoise. And here is the pendant. It's also the turquoise piece. This gemstone necklace, you can wear it to go to the Hawaii beach, and it is Hawaii style, super style. You can wear it to go to surfer. Welcome. We have very partners such as PayPal, TT, and so on. It looks so different style. Welcome. We have 12 years of experience in export trade, familiar with local customer rules and regulations, and have a close relationship. And here is the irregular turquoise piece. We welcome guys and partners to visit our company and maintain long-term, stable, and win-win strategic partnership. Okay, next, the, the next necklace I want to show you is this one. And the main stone is white sharp beads, turquoise, just two main stones. It looks simple, but gorgeous necklace. And here is the pendant. Turquoise pendant, irregular shape. Welcome. Good morning. Yeah, and it is about 16 inches long. And here is the moon. The white shell moon is still shaped, and the rondon is about 6 millimeters. Our products are in great demand, loved by customers. Our products receive highly favorable reviews. And our latest styles are all designed and improved by ourselves. The products of our company use pure nature oil, nitrified silver, and real gold. When you wear, and the color is bright and transparent. Yeah, I want to show you. Highlighting the sense of high and atmosphere. It is really suitable for men or women. If you like our products, please pay attention to our Ali show. Welcome. The products of our company use pure nature oil. It is really real natural and real jewelry. We use real dreamstone bead, natural dreamstone bead, and you can buy it for it to your husband, to your wife. The next product I want to show you is this one. The main stone you can see here, it is spiny oyster, orange color, and with the blue color turquoise, and both of them are tube-shaped. It is about 4 millimeters, and here is spiny oyster too, but it is rounded shape. And here is the ghost pendant course is rounded shape, and it is look bigger than other stone. And so it is about 8 millimeters. And this nail length is 16 inches long. Our technology is used computer numerical control to cut the material and to control the size and shape of the product jewelry. Accurately to reduce the error to the lowest value. And you can see here. This neckline is colorful and looks so patient. Welcome. We're using polishing technology, ring surface, beads, and other mirror polishing. You can see it is so beautiful necklace, and it is suitable for men or women. We have close and long-term cooperative relationship with the stone factory and silver factory, which has 30 employees. Yeah, and the next necklace I want to show you is this necklace. This is the tiny, tiny turquoise, and here is the big, chunky turquoise. Both of them are blue color. The tiny turquoise gemstone beads with the chunky gemstone, chunky turquoise bead. This necklace looks simple but pretty. It is also about 16 inches long. We believe our friend in the live stream will be satisfied with our products. Yes, I want to show you. If you wanted to, if you like our product, you can pay attention to our Ali show. We also collaborated with each major brand. Sir, each major brand. Okay. How will then all guys in our stream library class will have a good day? It looks tiny. Yeah. And the next product I want to show you also the gemstone necklace. And here is so many different types of stone. Turquoise, pink shell, spiny oyster, and the quartz. It looks colorful. And stay tuned for more production on our live broadcast on Ali. And you can pay attention to our Ali show and to watch our live broadcast. Welcome. This necklace colorful and I think it is also suitable for men or women. Both of them are suitable for this necklace. Providing the best quality service and achieve customer satisfaction is our highest pursuit. And we look forward to working with you. Yeah. London spiny oyster. two-cylinder pink shell, and here is also the two-shade tiny and really tiny turquoise. It's really tiny and running about 3 millimeter. And this core is really larger than other stone. It look gorgeous. Yeah, here is the spiny oyster too. And here is also spiny oyster. Our company is specializing in some different types of stone, but includes turquoise, spiny oyster. And well, that's all for today, new products. Thanks for watching, and please wait for a moment, and our the next one will be in the library class. Thank you.